Hi guys, it's Matt Feast. Hi YouTubers. I thought I'd quickly do another video about a company I've been promoting in the last few months. A company called Icon Pro. It's very lucrative. It's very good for learning how to trade crypto online without getting scammed. Basically, you are in control of your own funds. This platform actually teaches you how to trade safely, okay, without losing your shirt. Basically, it's newbie friendly. Quickly go through it with you. When you're a free member, you can actually sign up for free. Okay, you do get a free boot camp. Okay, which is this here. You get a free training boot camp, which is great for just getting the concept or learning how to trade safely. There is a paid monthly subscription. Um, there's $99, and there's one which is about say $39 per month. It's up to you at the end of the day, but you can actually enjoy the free training first, get the feel of it, see what you think. We do have another platform built into the program, okay, which is like a trading platform. This actually shows you where the trades are, because how we trade is we buy on the dip, and it shows you where to get your dips from, different exchanges. Okay, I actually use Binance and Coinbase. This is a platform here, so it's all built into the actual Icon Pro. This is roughly an extra $10 a month. It's worth its weight in gold, honestly. It just saves you so much time going through all the exchanges, find where the dips are, etc. And there's all videos explaining how to use it. We do have a step-by-step tutorials of how to trade safely, okay, and where to get the dips from, okay. For example, if you're looking for coins, for example, say there's a dip here, tells you the volume, okay, and you just click on this and then you add it to the charts, goes up here, right, and it just shows you, you just zoom in there, okay, see where the dip is, and we do use a terminology of the 1, 2, 3 money, as they say, but you have to watch the free boot camp so you can understand the concept of what I'm talking about. But guys, it's worth its weight in gold. It's actually virtually scam proof, because at the end of the day, you're actually in control of your own crypto. It's teaching you how to make a living online or part time. Okay. So, and the chap who actually owns it is Justin Clark. You can actually get hold of him on Facebook or actually in the portals. We do have a Icon Pro forum, okay, and members leaving questions and answers. So you're never alone trading. Okay, that's the beauty about it. We're a great big good community helping each other how to trade. Okay, that's the beauty about it. But Christ, at the end of the day, please come into the system, all right, for free and watch the boot camp. You've got nothing to lose, okay? You get free training from Justin Clark. And if you're happy with the business, you can actually participate in the company, okay? Meanwhile, have a great day and thank you very much for watching my video. It's a very short video, okay? Any questions, any answers, please reach out to me on Facebook or YouTube. My link's below the video, okay? Below the video. And just leave a comment, and please do. And also like my video and subscribe to my channel. All right. Thanks so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Take care and have a great day.